Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke engizocela kuwe-ke nje la ukuthi-ke mawukuthi-ke usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke, noma-ke uyaqala ukungena kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke, wenze nje okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke likhonza ukwazi-ke uqhube uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ey'shisa phendula kufakela zona kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke. Kuze zingaphuthuki izindawo njengamanje ngokucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lapha nithi-ke uKhumalo-ke laphana-ke oyekhona-ke ngenkathi-ke kuqalwa-ke i-MK yaqalwa-ke ngalo-ke igama lakhe laphana-ke kwahamba isikhathi-ke bexabana-ke noZuma-ke laphana kutholakala kuthiwa kukhona-ke iy'nsuku engathi-ke uthengiwe usephumele-ke obala-ke laphana-ke ngokwenzeka ku-MK laphana eveza-ke enkulu-ke imfihlo-ke ngoZuma-ke laphana-ke nendodana yakhe uDuduzile Zuma-ke ethi-ke uZuma wuye othuma-ke uDuduzile ukuthi-ke adelele-ke laphana-ke emkhontweni. Kodwa-ke angifuni mina ukukhuluma okuningi, phendula nje udedela-ke ividiyo-ke uyizwele wena-ke. Mina ngicela lapha amazwile-ke le vidiyo noma comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi na-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke udaba-ke lolu-ke bese wenza okulungile-ke nje ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke kwenza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhube uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ey'shisa phensi ngifakela zona kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke le awuyithokozele.
I would say uDuduzile is not working in isolation. Zuma is part of the misbehavior of uDuduzile. Zuma gives instructions to uDuduzile. Let me say why I'm saying that. When Zuma wants to deal with you, it doesn't deal with you direct. He finds ways to find somebody to do the dirty things against you. Then he comes in as if he's a mediator, when he's not a mediator. He's part of the foundation of whatever is happening at the time. So Zuma is part of uDuduzile's problem against Shivambu. He wants to deal with Shivambu because he doesn't believe that Shivambu is going to do what he wants. Shivambu is coming up with his own understanding and political vision. But Zuma doesn't like that. Because if Shivambu is implementing something that Zuma doesn't like, Zuma will not tell Shivambu direct. He would want to do a dirty way of doing it. And then that's what he's doing now. That's why uDuduzile is so crazy doing whatever he's doing to Shivambu. But clever Zuma, he goes out and say, no, you must apologize to Shivambu. Fooling us, trying to, I don't know what he's trying to do, but it's all his Zuma's making what is happening right now. uDuduzile is insulting people because Zuma has asked her to do that. It's an instruction from Zuma.